Hi Tim, my name is Jorge Morales and this is my video on the 5 things that I have been able to apply from your book to my business. One of them is on outsourcing, for example. I've been able to get an assistant from Ask Sunday to call junkyards to purchase parts that we use in my business to rebuild them or rebuild parts from other customers. And usually this we have to deal with a lot of people that are very cranky and they need things to be faxed in. It just takes a lot of time to do, so it's something that I'm very happy that we've been able to outsource. Automating wise, I would have to say that now I only take orders online, whereas before used to be only through the phone, and I've been doing this through Wufoo.com, which is they allow you to make forms that you just embed on your website, and you're able just to get orders right on your email. They also accept PayPal and other kinds of uh, payment methods. Then on the media diet, I sold my television like last year, and that was a big surprise for all my friends. But actually, that has been a big blessing because I used to watch CNBC all the time for the latest business news, and so far, since I have stopped doing that, my profits in stocks have gone like 50% and up. This also due to market conditions, but also because I'm not messing around with my stocks as much. 80/20 wise, advertising, I took my AdWords and I reduced from all over the world to just advertising in very specific parts in United States. So I'm saving now about $1,500 by not advertising like all over the world, just in a few parts in the United States. What I've noticed most of my customers are. And also in the business that I'm at for cars, I've also been from I've gone from servicing all kinds of cars to only the very high-end European ones, and it's been very successful because that's mostly my customers are Porsche and BMW owners. So it's played to my advantage because I only advertise to those kind of customers. And let it bad things happen. That's the last part. Well, 3 clients are very upset because we're taking this. We're not gonna be able to help them out because we are taking this huge. My partner and I are going to Peru now for 2 weeks, and also we're gonna be able to see Machu Picchu. So I think it's a big blessing that we're things on one side people are unhappy that we have stopped doing what we're doing, but on the other side we're trading it for something very memorable. So thanks so much for paying attention to this, and I hope this helps to encourage other people. Have a good day.